Welcome to Fresno Tap Recycling. Today we have a 2003 Honda Accord with severe right side damage. Most of the body parts on the driver's side are going to be okay. We have a couple of wheels on this side. The driver's side door looks okay in the front. The rear door looks okay also. Nobody was hit on this side, on the driver's side and the rear. Tail light looks okay back here. Quarter panel is no good. Here's all the damage to the passenger side. The motor still sits complete in the vehicle and has over 187,000 miles on it. The front driver's side door panel is in good condition, just a little dirty. The dashboard is okay, there's no breaks in it. That other door panel is completely broken in due to the accident. That passenger front seat is not going to be any good. Driver's side front seat is in okay condition, just has some wear and tear. The rear driver's side door panel looks to be in okay condition. It's a little dirty. The other door panel isn't going to be any good also. Rear seats look okay. I'm not too sure about that side though.